Hi YouTubers and Louis Vuitton lovers. Thought I would do an unboxing for you guys today. So let's get started. First of all, they came in those boxes right there. So I already took them out of the original shipping box. But then they come in your standard Louis Vuitton box. We'll start with the little one. Comes in a little pull box. Tiny, tiny pull box. It has a little dust bag. And I got the little chain that you can put on your accessory pouch, or on, if you have the wallet with the D-ring, you can put it on there. And it says made in France, but I don't think it's picking it up. But yeah, I just got that. We'll put it back in there. And for the big box, it came with this big dust bag. And I got the delightful GM. And the strap says Louis Vuitton on it. Has these pretty brass pulls. This says Louis Vuitton. And these pockets are functional. And I was looking at them in the store and online and on YouTube, and this is the one I really like because I could put my keys and my cell phone on the outer pockets. And then inside, they said it's big as a never-full GM. It has one clasp. Let's see if I can open it. And that's the inside of it. It's just a big, giant purse. And it also has one big pocket that's really large on it. It could hold a wallet. And it has the same zipper pull on the outsides. And there's the pocket. And here's the little tag that was on it. And you can attach this to your D-ring, which most of the bags have on them. And you could put your keys on it, like I said, or make it an extender for your pouchette. And that's what I got. Thank you for watching.